Are you planning to buy a new phone, but don't know what to say in English? Don't worry. In today's lesson, you'll learn a real-life conversation that you can use in a mobile phone shop. Watch until the end because you'll learn useful vocabulary, natural expressions, and speaking tips.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our mobile store. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for a new smartphone.
Sure. Are you looking for Android or iPhone?
I'm not sure yet. I want a good phone for daily use.
No problem. What's your budget?
Around $300 to $400.
Great. We have several good options in that price range.
Can you show me some of them?
Of course. Please come this way. This model has a 6.7-inch display and a powerful battery.
How much is it?
It's $349.
Does it have enough storage?
Yes. It comes with 256 gigabytes of storage.
That's great. Can I expand the storage with a memory card?
Yes, you can.
What about the camera?
It has a 50-megapixel main camera and a 16-megapixel front camera.
I like taking photos and videos.
Then this phone is a good choice.
Are you learning something new? Write in the comments, "I am improving my English." And if you enjoy easy English conversations like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's continue.
Can I see another model?
Certainly. This one is slightly more expensive, but it's faster.
What's different about it?
It has a better processor, a brighter display, and faster charging.
How long does the battery last?
It easily lasts a full day with normal use.
Is it good for gaming?
Yes, it runs most games smoothly.
Which phone do you recommend?
I recommend this one.
I see. Does it come with a charger?
Yes, a charger and a USB cable are included.
Can I return it if there's a problem?
Yes, according to our return policy.
Do you have this phone in black?
Yes, we have black, blue, and silver.
I like black.
Excellent choice.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can. We also accept cash and mobile payments.
Great, I'll pay by card.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new phone.
And if you enjoy easy English conversations like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.